Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza masala full guide. Start by gathering whole spices and measuring them accurately, then toast gently to unlock oils and aroma before grinding. Use a mortar or spice grinder to achieve a consistent fine texture. Taste and adjust salt and heat gradually, storing the mix in an airtight jar away from light to preserve freshness and potency for months. Choose quality whole spices for the best result and measure them by weight or spoon to keep balance. Toast small batches briefly until fragrant, then let cool to avoid steam when grinding. Grind to a uniform powder, mix in dried herbs last to keep their green flavor intact, and add salt or sugar only after tasting so you can fine-tune the final seasoning profile. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and flour like a pro and even responds to voice commands, which means less cleanup after pizza night. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Handle spices gently and methodically, always toasting in a dry pan over medium heat while stirring to avoid scorching. Cool on a plate before grinding so moisture won't ruin texture, then pulse to your preferred coarseness. Mix herbs and adjust salt or acid, like a pinch of lemon zest if desired, and transfer to small airtight containers to keep aroma locked in and shelf life extended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.